Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today's video, we're making a DIY willow tree that you can hang into the corner of your room. So before we get started, you play the clips. First, you're going to grab some brown paper. Construction paper will work. Really any paper that's brown will work. Unless if you want your tree green or something. Next, you're going to take a piece of the construction paper that you got, or whatever else paper, and you're going to take it and you're going to twist it like so. So it looks similar to this. Now, you're going to repeat this step with another piece of paper. So it looks like this. Repeat this step as many times as you want to make your tree as big as you want. I'm going to go ahead and put up the two ones I just made plus one that I already made to see how big I want my tree. Okay guys, I got my little tree branches and I got my tape. You can just use Scotch tape, but whatever else tape works for you. And you're going to put them in different directions to how you want your tree. I think I'm gonna curve mine a little bit, so I'll show you guys whenever I get done. Hey guys, this is what I have so far. It's the branches to the tree. I'm gonna make some more of the branches. I'm gonna hang them up, and then I'll show you guys what I have so far. Okay guys, this is what I have. Now, I'm going to come down from the stool and we're going to make I guess the leaves for the tree. Okay guys, so what you're gonna need is probably paper towels. I'm gonna use paper towels. Or you can use toilet paper or tissues or whatever you want to use. What works best for you. Now, you're going to grab some paint. You can grab whatever colors you want. I'm doing pink because that's kind of what I think of when I see a willow tree. So I'm gonna mix these three because I'm not sure what I want for the shades. So let me get a paintbrush or something. And we're gonna paint these. Okay guys, so get your paintbrush. Or you can just let them soak. It just might take a little bit longer, but I'm gonna paint them. Okay, so grab your piece of tissue, toilet paper, paper towel, whatever you're gonna use. Rip off a piece of it. Okay, so we're gonna, for me, I'm gonna put these on the plate. See, I haven't used these, so I'll be back in a minute, and these will be on my plate. Make sure you guys are being careful when using any type of paint or markers or anything, because it can get on your hands like it just got on mine. If it does get on your hands, though, you can just wash your eye back off. See, this is why I said be careful, because I jammed it into here, exploded, and went all over my scissors. So now I have to clean my scissors. So you really want to be careful. Okay, so just use some of this paper towel to clean it, I guess. Okay, so now what you're gonna want to do is you're going to take your ripped piece, so a new one. You can rip it as tiny or as big as you want. If you're painting it like me, take your paintbrush and put it into your colors or color that you're painting your willow tree thing with. And you're just gonna paint the paper towel, tissue, or toilet paper that you're using. Like this. It's okay if you get a little bit messy, because you're either doing this on like a plate or table, or your hands like me. I have a plate under it, but I decided to do it on my hands, I guess. And that was not a good move of me because it is going all over my hands. But that's okay. It'll be worth it in the end. The good thing about cloth, don't mind that. It's like this bird thing or whatever. Frog, I don't know. The good thing about like this type of cloth is it goes through the tissue. Like, look. I mean, you'll have to paint it a little bit, but see, went all over my hands. So you're just gonna let that dry on, yeah. You're gonna repeat the same step a few times to make your leaves. You really want to do it like a bunch of times, but I don't know. I'm gonna see how many I want to do. Y'all don't have to do it a bunch. But yeah, I'll come back whenever I'm done with these, so y'all don't have to hear me talking a lot or that random bird thing in the background. Hey guys, so I just finished the pink things. I forgot what they're called. Hold on, I'll show you. Okay, here they are. I don't know how many I'm going to do, but that's what I have for now. So I had paint on my hands and it's gone now, but I was getting to think, I have a lot of paint that I'm doing nothing with. I'm gonna put my hand in the paint and put it on a canvas to hang up in my room. I'm so excited. Okay guys, so let me show you the canvas. Okay, this is the one we're gonna use. It still has the wrapping on it. So I'm hoping that, oh, that smudge isn't there. Hopefully not. I got a lot of paint down here. I like this blue a lot, so we're gonna see that one. We're likely gonna be able to see which. Everything's falling. Okay, here's our selection. Let's see. No. I don't really care for red. The color red is not my favorite. Let me sit down. Okay. So there's green. Ooh, that's a sparkly green. I'm gonna see that one. Pick that. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, I like mint green. It's pretty cute. Got a bunch of blues. I don't like that gray. A sparkly blue. Metallic blue. Dark green. Black. Okay, okay guys, so I think I'm gonna do, I don't want to do that one. I think I'm gonna do this one. It's really pretty, but I was thinking, what if I did two colors? So I was gonna do this one and probably this metallic pink, because that would look so cute together. Do two hands. Guys, we got a plate and we got our canvas. We're gonna unwrap the plastic around it and then I'll come back. I'm too excited. This beautiful canvas and the beautiful plate. Okay, we're gonna do the metallic pink first. Y'all, I thought the metallic pink was so pretty, but like, this just made it 10 times prettier. Like, look how pink that is. It's so pretty. Y'all, the teal is just as pretty, look. Okay guys, we're gonna just like spread this over there. I'm gonna paint my hand, put it on the canvas, and then I'll come back to you guys to see if the willow leaves are dry. Okay guys, my hands are clean by the way. We are back to these. I think I'm just gonna tape them up there. Y'all can get string if you want to and like poke a hole through and hang it down because that would look super cute. But I'm not gonna do that because I don't have any string. But I think that would look super cute if you do decide to do that. And if you just want to tape it like me, then that's cool too. Okay, we're just gonna pop my phone. There. Okay, so we're gonna take my tape and just tape it up, I guess. Okay. We're gonna see how it looks. I'm a little bit scared. Okay guys, this is what I have. I think I'm gonna make some more or something, but I gotta go. But I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and follow for more. Well, I guess subscribe and follow are the same thing, but you know the deal. And I hope you guys liked the video, and hope you guys liked the DIY today. I wasn't really sure what to do for a while, but I saw this and I was like, you know, that could be cool. Could be something that maybe not a lot of people have seen, but might like want to see. Yeah, I think if I add some more, it'll look really good. Y'all can also hang them from the ceiling, like the branches, and then get some strings to hang it down. That would look super cute, and then like they can be hanging them. Yeah, but I'll see you guys another time. Yeah, I'll try to post some more videos and YouTube shorts. But anyways, bye guys.